Wilson said it's about time. She got me out here by the campfire. There's Pig Boy. I think he's got something wrong with his eye. That's Princess Airhead way in the background. She's not fitting in too well anymore. Well, and there's some neighbors over there, some aliens. I made a mistake on the last video. I said it was their motherships over there. But no, that's their shuttlecraft over there. Their mothership's still in orbit, so I think they're packing it up and getting ready to go. They're pretty far away. They've been really, really quiet. I haven't heard anything over there at all, so that's a good thing. Nice wide spot to get them all in there. So, like I said, I think they're packing it up, getting ready to go. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. It's morning coffee chat without the fire. I didn't feel like making one this morning. So it's just getting a little late and it's going to be warm, so I thought I'd just let it go today and see if I can't maybe do one this evening. So, going to be some more changes on the channel, I guess. Alan has decided he wants to get out there on his own. And he doesn't like to stay any place more than 2 weeks at a time, and we've been out here in this same spot several times, so he's wanting to get out there and see what he can find on his own. I watched his video last night. He's found a beautiful spot. He really has. It's very nice. Looks like there was some rocky stuff that he run over. Had a little bit of trouble, but he'll figure that out, how to fix that. He's pretty resourceful about that. So Isis, she's got new smells, running around checking everything out, so that's a good thing for her. So I'm back out here by myself. I haven't moved yet. I was thinking about moving back over to my old spot. It's smaller and it's more confined. It's more deeper in the forest area. A lot of trees all around, and then somebody left a whole bunch of firewood. So I might just wander over that way in a day or two. So yeah, we'll see. Bee on the lens. Okay, he took off. See if I can get rid of the bee. I go to sit up and he takes off, and it comes back when I lean back. Smart bee. So yeah, it's been very quiet. You know me, I'm a lot better when I'm by myself anyway. So you know, not to say that you know, it was a good thing that he decided to go. I'm just saying that I'm used to being by myself 99% of the time. And you know, you all have heard me say many, many times, I don't tell anybody where I am. And that's part of the reason, because I don't want anybody around. I just want to be by myself. So, extremely introverted. And the older I get, and the more introverted I get, I guess. I don't know. So, the Monday Night Chaos live stream, I'm not sure if Alan's going to be there or not. I sent him a message last night, but so far he hasn't replied back. So he may be in a spot where he doesn't have good internet or something. I don't know. So yeah, we'll try it by myself, and we'll see what happens. I'd appreciate it if y'all would chime in on that. Should I continue, or you know, would it be lacking of something without the both of us there? So either way, up to you guys mostly. you know, I might just get on there and just do it myself and you know, make the best of it. I don't know. We'll see. What else? It was kind of warm yesterday. We got one thunder, one lightning, and one thunder, and that was it. No rain. Been very, very low wind. Got up to about 81, I think, 81 or 82 yesterday. So it was not bad. Wasn't bad at all. I was pretty comfortable. Going to be about 83 today. So RVRN. I feel for you down there in the valley, but you know, you need to get up here in the mountains. What was it, 115 yesterday down there? So I'm just glad I don't live down there anymore, that's for sure. So I can't think of much anything else to say. It's just kind of an update on what's going on. I'm kind of sitting out here and enjoying my coffee. It's late. I got a late start. It's after 7, so I'm usually out here. If I'm going to do a morning fireside chat, I'm out here by 6:30. So I just didn't get up, and I just kind of laid there, and next thing I knew, I went back to sleep for an hour. So the solar has been really good. The last couple of days, I got good full sun, so I'm not having any power problems. And I was thinking about adding another 2 panels. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that now or not. You know, it's a pain to have to unload and reload and unload and reload. It's, you know, it's a lot of climbing around in there. So I may just stick with the 5 that I've got. That's 500 watts. That's plenty. Maybe I'll put a couple on the roof or something during the winter. We'll see about that too. Everything's up in the air. Somebody said my plan is to not make a plan. I thought that was a pretty good plan myself. So, yeah, that was. Well, I am terrible with names today. If you recognize the quote, you'll know who I'm talking about. So, you know, I hope he doesn't get upset about it. I can't think. Why can't I think of his name? Living Free, Mike at Living Free. He's the one that came up with that, and that's a good idea. So anything beyond today, then, you know, there's no plan. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Maybe nothing. No fires anywhere. Now, I think there's a couple of little ones in the southern part of Arizona, close to the Mexico line. And, you know, it's been fantastic. It really has been. Last year there's a few of them around. So this year everybody has taken the fire restrictions seriously, and that's a good thing. Ellen was here, was it 2-3 weeks ago or so? There was a couple around us. They had them put out pretty quick. So it's a good deal. It's been a good year for fires so far. We still got a lot of summer time left, though. So, yeah, I think that's it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there was one other thing. The other day, I was sitting in the camper. I didn't see him pull up, but Alan saw him, and he came over there to talk to him. It was some guy, no authority or anything like that. I had seen him running up and down the road a few times, like he'd go real slow when he'd come by here, and then he'd move on, and he just kept doing that for 2 or 3 days. So finally he came into the camp and said that the Rangers will be here this afternoon. You can't park within 1/4 mile of a watering hole. There's no such law. There's no such, you know, all he wanted was this spot. That's what he wanted. And so Alan wasn't very friendly to him, and we just kind of ignored him. And it was a heads up to the guys across the road there. So they were looking out for him too. So That's kind of about it. Other than that, there's been nobody around. Nobody's been intrusive. So, okay, that's it now. See ya. If you'd like to help support this channel, then please click on the Amazon link in the bottom of the video in the description area. That will take you to my influencer page. There's a list of items there that I've purchased and that I use, and if you don't see anything there that you might be interested in, then scroll back up to the search box and type in what you are interested in. That will take you to the regular Amazon site, and you can go from there. Also, I'd like to tell you that if you do purchase something, then I will make a small commission. Amazon requires me to tell you that. But you won't pay anything more. It doesn't cost anything to click on that link or to purchase something from my link. You'll pay the same price that everyone else does. Also, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe if you like this video, and please share, and the thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Thanks a lot.